squamous. These are alveoli that we're looking at right here. Can everybody see the little blood cells right there? Those are little blood cells. Here's our macrophages, our dust cells. Here's examples of capillaries, and here's our type 2. They usually tend to be round or cuboidal in shape. You can see these flat ones, all of these flat ones, those are all the simple cuboidal. This is what it looks like in your microscope. Can you see right here, this passageway right here? That would be an alveolar duct. And then can you see this cluster here at the end? That would be an alveolar sac. And each one of these little half circles right here, that would be alveoli. All right, let's look at another view. Here's our alveolar duct right here. And what kinds of cells are all of these along here? Simple squamous. Is this where gas exchange is going to occur? Yeah. Over here we see a bronchiole. How do we know that it's a bronchiole and not a bronchus? Do we see any cartilage there? Do we see any hyaline cartilage plates or pieces? Do bronchioles have cartilage?
No.
They don't. They don't. So here we see no cartilage, but what is this right here?
Smooth muscle.
It looks like dense regular. That's a good guess. It's smooth muscle. Remember how it's kind of hard to tell the difference between smooth muscle and dense regular. And then this right here, if we go to the inside of this bronchiole, it's going to be either simple columnar or simple cuboidal. If we enlarge, zoom it up. Here's just another view of those alveolar sacs made up of alveoli, type 2 cells. Okay, and here's another. What's this round structure right here? A bronchiole. What's this structure right here? Bronchiole. What's this right here? Bronchiole. This is an alveolar duct. How do I know which is which? Because the alveolar duct is made up of simple squamous. The respiratory bronchiole is simple cuboidal. And over here it's simple columnar to simple cuboidal. Remember the transition? That's why the homework I'm going to give you this weekend asks you to summarize the transition in each of the tissues, each of the types of muscles as you go through the respiratory tract. Right here we see a vein, here's a bronchiole. Here's a bronchus. How do I know I have a bronchus now, not a bronchiole?
Cartilage.
I see a little piece of hyaline cartilage. There's another little piece of hyaline cartilage. I see a little bit of smooth muscle. And then what kind of tissue is this right here in a bronchus?
Pseudostratified.
It's going to be pseudo, or it could also be simple columnar if it's a tertiary or secondary. What's this right here?
Cartilage ring.
Hyaline cartilage right here. So what is this whole structure right here? This is a bronchus. What kind of tissue must I have on the inside? Pseudostratified, or I can also have simple columnar. Here's another bronchus. Here you can see the cartilage. What's all of this over here? No, we're in the lungs. These are all alveoli. The lungs are it's air. As a matter of fact, when we take out our cats, let's take out a piece of lung and let's put it in the air. Let's put it in water and see if it floats. See if it floats or not. So here's our cartilage plate right here. This is all alveoli. This is probably a blood vessel right there. This is just a blow up of that. Pseudostratified. You can see the cilia on it. Respiratory bronchiole. What are these over here?
Alveoli.
Alveoli, all of these. What's this right here? A respiratory bronchiole. What's this right here? An alveolar duct. What's this right here? Alveolar duct. How do I know? Can you see how this tissue is thicker than this one right here? Is that a yes or a no?
Yes.
Okay, let's see another example. These are alveolar ducts. What would this be right here? A bronchiole. See how the cells are simple cuboidal here? They're simple squamous. You'll see this better in your own microscopes. There's an alveolar sac. What's that right there? Some kind of blood vessel.